I'm artistic and I'm also a hypocrite because I love and loathe loud noises. I will never understand the science behind it, but there are certain loud noises that I find absolutely soothing and therapeutic and grounding. Yet at the same time, there are also loud noises that I find absolutely repulsive, overstimulating, and can trigger a shutdown. And what I think it is for me are the loud noises that I find like almost therapeutic and soothing and calming are ones that are predictable. And again, I know I mentioned music a lot, but a lot of it is music that I find to enjoy or find a positive emotional response to. At the same time, there are certain loud noises or environments that will absolutely send me down a spiral. And it is when I cannot predict what is going on in my environment. Like when I hear loud music that I haven't heard before and I'm just like not vibing with, like, hey man, you gotta like, this has gotta go. I basically stop. I stop working. I also find that I can tolerate loud noises in environments where I know that I have an exit plan. Like when I'm listening to music in my car in my headphones, I know that if I'm like, ooh, I'm starting to feel this, I'm starting to feel my body get a little overwhelmed, turn it off, turn it down, take the headphones off. If I'm at a concert or a bar or like a loud environment, I know I can just go. And if I'm in a situation where I've prepared myself to be able to like leave on a moment's notice, I can do that.